guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for CVS Deals video. This is a brand new ad and we also have an epic beauty sale going on. That's a $10 off when you spend $30 and there are so many items included in this deal. I'm going to share the deals by itself and at the end of each few deals, I will show you how to put them together using the 10 of 30 and that will be throughout the whole video. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also check the description box for a link to a Google Doc of all the deals I'm going to share in this video. And let's go find some deals. Let's start with spend 20 get 10 back on Aveeno facial care. Pick up the Aveeno face lotion priced at $13.99 and Aveeno brightening scrub priced at $12.99. These two will total $26.98. Use the $5 off Aveeno digital coupon for the face lotion and a $3 off Aveeno digital coupon for the brightening scrub. The two coupons will take off $8 and you will pay $18.98, get 10 back, then submit your receipt to activate reward for $5 back when you spend $20. That will make them $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have is spend 10 get 5 back on any Neutrogena acne care. Pick up one Neutrogena on the spot acne treatment priced at $11.59. Use a $3.50 off digital coupon and you pay $8.59. Get 5 back, making it $3.59. In the 10 of 30 beauty or personal care CRT, you can combine the Aveeno deal and the Neutrogena deal. These three items will total $38.57. Use $5 off Aveeno digital coupon for the face lotion, $3 off Aveeno digital coupon for the brightening scrub, $3.50 off Neutrogena digital coupon, and the 10 off 30 CRT. The three coupons and the CRT will take off $21.50 and you pay $17.07, get $10 back for the Aveeno deal and $5 back for the Neutrogena deal. Then submit your receipt to activate reward for $10 back for spending $30. That will make these three items free and $7.93 money maker. Garnier facial care products are on sale for buy one get one half off and they are on the deal of buy two get six back. Pick up two Garnier Blackhead Eliminating Scrub priced at $9.79. With the buy one get one half off, one will be full price and the second one will be $4.19. The two will total for $10.69. Use the $3 off Garnier digital coupon and you pay $11.69, get 6 back, making them $5.69 or $2.85 each. Palmer's skincare is on sale for buy one get one half off and when you buy two, you get $6 back. Pick up one Palmer's lotion for $8.99 and a body butter priced at $7.99. These items are on sale for buy one get one half off. That means the cheaper price one will be the half off and that will be the $7.99 body butter. The new price will be $3.75. These two will total $12.74. Use $1.50 off Palmer's digital coupon and you pay $11.24, get 6 back, making them $5.24 or $2.62 each. The 8.4 ounce Nivea lotion is on sale for $4.99 and is part of buy two get 3 back. Pick up two for a total of $9.98. Pay the $9.98 and you get 3 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. Using the 10 of 30 personal care CRT, let's combine the Palmer's deal, Nivea deal, and the Garnier facial care deal. These 6 items will total $37.41. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Garnier facial care and a $1.50 off Palmer's digital coupon and the 10 of 30 CRT. The two coupons and the CRT will take off for $10.50 and you pay $22.91. Get $6 back for the Garnier facial care deal, $6 back for the Palmer's deal, and $3 back for the Nivea deal. That will end up making them $7.91 or $1.32 each. The 30 ounce Nivea body wash is on sale for $8.99 and when you buy two, you get $6 back. Pick up two for a total of $17.98. Pay the $17.98 and you get 6 back, making them $11.98 or $5.99 each. The 2.4 ounce Crest toothpaste is on sale for $3.99 and is part of buy 3 get 5 back. Pick up 3 for a total of $11.97. Use the 5 off 3 digital coupon and you pay $6.97, get 5 back, making them $1.97 or 66 cents each. Using the 10 off 30 CRT, let's combine the Nivea body wash deal and the Crest deal. These 5 items will total $29.95. Use the 5 off 3 Crest Digital coupon and the 10 off 30 CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $15 and you pay for $10.95. Get 6 back for the Nivea body wash and $5 back for the Crest toothpaste. That will end up making them $3.95 or 79 cents each. Aveeno body wash is on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and when you buy 2 you get 3 back. Pick up one Aveeno 18-ounce body wash priced at $13.49 and one 12-ounce Aveeno body wash priced at $11.99. Since these items are on sale for buy one get one 40% off, the cheaper priced one will be the 40% off, and that will be the 12-ounce body wash. The new price will be $7.19. These two will total $20.68. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $15.68, get 5 back. Submit your receipt to activate reward for $5 back when you spend $20. That will make them $5.68 or $2.84 each. My next deal is spend $15, get 4 back on Vaseline products. Pick up one 20.3-ounce Vaseline lotion priced at $9.89 and a 10-ounce Vaseline lotion priced at $5.99. These two will total $15.88. Use the $2 digital coupon and you pay $13.88, get 4 back, making them $9.88 or $4.94 each. Another option for the 10 off 30 CRT is to combine the Aveeno body wash deal and the Vaseline deal. These 4 items will total $36.56. Use the 5 off 2 Aveeno digital coupon, $2 off Vaseline digital coupon, and the 10 off 30 CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $17 and you will pay $19.56, get 4 back for the Vaseline deal and $5 back for the Aveeno deal. Submit your receipt to activate reward for $5 back when you spend $20 on the Aveeno product. That will make them $5.56 or $1.39 each. The Colgate Optic White Advanced Toothpaste is on sale for 2 for $12, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 and use the $8 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $4 and that will make each toothpaste just $2. The next option I have for the 10 off 30 CRT is to combine the Aveeno body wash deal with the Colgate toothpaste. These 4 items will total $32.68. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Aveeno, 8 off 2 Colgate digital coupon, and the 10 off 30 CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $23 and you pay $9.68, get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to activate reward for $5 back for spending $20 on the Aveeno product. That will make them free and 32 cents money maker. My next deal is buy 2 get 7 back on any Act product. Pick up 2 Act Dry Mouth Moisturizing Gum priced at $5.99 each. The 2 will total $11.98. Use a $1 off digital coupon and you pay $10.98, get 7 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. Next option I have for the 10 off 30 CRT is to combine the Crest deal, Colgate deal, and the Act deal. These 7 items will total $35.95. Use a $1 off Act digital coupon, 8 off 2 Colgate digital coupon, 5 off 3 Crest digital coupon, and a 10 off 30 CRT. The 3 coupons and the CRT will take off $24 and you will pay $11.95, get 5 back for the Crest deal and $7 back for the Act deal. That will make them free and 5 cents money maker. There are 2 Maybelline deals going on in this ad. The first one is buy 2 get 5 back and it excludes the baby lips. Pick up 2 Maybelline lifter gel priced at $9.99 each. The 2 will total $19.98. Use a 3 off digital coupon and you pay $16.98, get 5 back, making them $11.98 or $5.99 each. The next one I have is buy 2 Maybelline baby lips and you get 5 back, and they're on sale for $4.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. Pay the $9.98 and you get 5 back, and that will make them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next option I have using the 10 off 30 CRT is to combine the 2 Maybelline deals. The 4 items will total $29.96. Use the $3 off Maybelline digital coupon and the 10 off 30 CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $13 and you will pay $16.96, get 5 back on each Maybelline deal, making them $6.96 or $1.74 each. My next deal is spend 20 get 10 back on Real Technique or Eco Tools. Pick up 1 Real Technique Everyday Essential set priced at $19.99. Pay the $19.99 and you get 10 back, making it $9.99. The next option I have using the 10 off 30 CRT is to combine the Real Technique deal and the Maybelline deal. These three items will total $29.97. Use the 10 off 30 CRT and you pay $19.97, get 10 back for the Real Technique deal and $5 back for the Maybelline, making them $4.97 or $1.66 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on Garnier Whole Blend. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They are priced at $5.99 each. The two will total $11.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $8.98, get 3 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next hair care deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on Garnier Fructis hair care. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, priced at $5.59 each. The two will total $11.18. Use the 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis digital coupon and you pay $8.18, get 4 back, making them $4.18 or $2.09 each. L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners are on sale for $5.49 each. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.98. Use the 3 off 2 Elvive digital coupon and you pay $7.98, get 3 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. Next option I have using the 10 off 30 CRT is to combine the L'Oreal Elvive deal, Garnier Fructis and the Whole Blend deal. These 6 items will total $34.14. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Whole Blend, 3 off 2 Fructis digital coupon, 3 off 2 Elvive digital coupon and a 10 off 30 CRT. The 3 coupons and the CRT will take off $19 and you pay $15.14 and you will get $3 back for the Whole Blend deal, $4 back for the Garnier Fructis deal and $3 back for the Elvive deal. That will make them $5.14 or 86 cents each. OGX hair care is on sale for $6.99, no extra care box bag. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.98 and use the 4 off 2 digital coupon. You will pay $9.98 and that will make it just $4.99. And you can also add this to the 10 off 30 CRT. Select General Milk cereal are on sale for $1.99, no extra care box bag. Pick up 2 Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal for a total of $3.98. Use the $1 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $2.98. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each. That means you get $1 back from Ibotta, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. The Hot Roll-On Pain Relief is on sale for $7.99, no extra care box bag. Pick up 1 and use the $3 digital coupon. You'll pay $4.99. The next deal I have is spend $30 get $10 back. This deal is a limit of 1 per week per account, but I have 2 options for you. Pick whichever one that works for you. And the first option I have is to pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $12.99 and 2 9 mega roll Cottonelle bath tissues on sale for $8.99 each. These 3 items will total $30.97. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and a 2 off 2 Cottonelle digital coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $5 and you pay $25.97, get 10 back, and that will make them $15.97 or $5.32 each. The second option I have is to pick up a 2-count Febreze car air freshener on sale for $6.49, 1 Gain dryer sheet on sale for $12.99, and 1 Tide pod on sale for $12.99. These 3 items will total $32.47. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Tide pod, 2 off Gain coupon from Coupon 24 app, and a $3 off Febreze digital coupon. The 3 coupons will take off $8 and you pay $24.47, get 10 back, making them $14.47 or $4.82 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.